Hey y'all, and thank y'all. We about to get to cooking today. This is where we are. We getting to cooking. Hey y'all, and thank y'all. We doing chicken and waffles today. Yes, we are. Thank you, Overture in Arlington, Texas, for having Chefs for Seniors, and we gonna do it. That's what I am, y'all. I'm a chef every single day, even though I serve God. Now, let's get to work now. We are cracking these eggs. We serving about 75 people on this day right here. It was a lovely, lovely day to serve, too. God is good. Now, we're going to go ahead and use some Montreal seasoning and some Tony Satcher seasoning. Now, both of these flavor agents do have sodium in them. So that's why I didn't use any salt. I like to use flavor agents. I don't need all that extra salt. I can recall a day chefs did not want salt on the table. They would just get mad. I tell you, I understand that. Now we're gonna add a little bit of milk inside of this too now. I'm gonna let this sit in this milk for about a good 10 minutes, all right? And while that's getting together, I'm gonna go ahead and get my dry mix together. We're using the same things. We're gonna use some Tony Satcher. We're going to use some of that Montreal chicken seasoning. We're going to drop that whole bag of flour because trust me, when you're cooking for this amount of people, you need it. And I use 2.5 containers of panko breadcrumbs too as well. Now, we got to make sure we get it all the way at the bottom. Why did I drop the seasoning in first? Because it always ends up at the bottom. So that's why I put it in first. That way I can bring it all the way up to the top. I bring it down and bring it up. Bring it down and bring it up. And mix that chicken in there good now. Mix it in there good. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. I love being a chef. I love taking care of people. I love doing what God has called me to do. And that's a beautiful thing to do so. So this is what it looks like when you're cooking for 75 people. I have myself, I have Chef Taylor with me, and I also have Dr. Shanika Baylor with me too. Dr. Baylor is the franchise owner. She's a wonderful, wonderful woman and a wonderful franchise owner. She has her eyes locked on the prize. All right, y'all, back to business now. We wrapping up this chicken right here. You got to get it out. Take a look at it. What y'all think about it? That's a better shot right there, huh? Yeah, chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles. Now, y'all have a good one. Thank y'all and bless y'all. Now, be sure to subscribe. And I'll come back with some more fruitful content. God is good all the time.